Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Contribute Cloud software. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the annotation tools. The annotation tools sit on this floating toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. To use the tools, simply select the option that you want to use. Here we have the Select tool that enables us to select images and objects. We can select the Annotation tool, change the line thickness, change your color, and we can annotate on the screen. Here we have the Shapes tool. We can change the color. We can change the line thickness, and we can use the shapes on the screen. Here we have the Text tool. Click on the Text tool and a text box appears in the middle of the screen. You can now add your text to the box using your keyboard. It's an object, so you can also move it around the screen. Use the settings options to change the font and the style of the text. To add an image to your canvas, click on the image icon and choose either to upload an image from your computer or use the live search option to search for an internet-based image. Use the layer options to move your objects forwards and backwards on the canvas. Here, we have the full screen icon as well as being able to pan around the screen using this tool. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.